All doing well. We have already discussed functions of management, means works of management like directing, organizing, staffing, planning, coordinating, controlling. So today we will discuss some other functions of management which have not been covered. Commanding. Commanding means to give orders. Whenever there is a need to get the work done, one has to give the orders. There should be clear working instructions to the employees. Subordinate should be given clear instructions by the superiors. So commanding is basically to give command. Managers must communicate clearly to their subordinates so that work is done according to the planned action. Commanding means कि order देना है, command करना है, instructions देनियां अपने subordinates ਨੂੰ जो भी plan ਕੀਤਾ है ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ clear instructions ਦੇ through follow करवाना है. Actuating. Actuating and directing are one and the same thing. Directing and actuating, they are concerned with the members of the organization who work efficiently for attainment of organizational goals. ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਲਾਨਸ ਬਣ ਗਏ, ਸਟਾਫ ਦੀ ਰਿਕਰੂਟਮੈਂਟ ਹੋ ਗਈ, ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਨੈਕਸਟ ਸਟੈਪ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਡਿਫਾਈਨਡ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਨ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਣਾ through proper directions. So it is an interpersonal aspect of management which deals with influencing, guiding, supervising, motivating the subordinates for achievement of group goals. There are various elements of actuating. These are supervision, motivation, leadership and communication. These have already been discussed in detail in the previous video. I will give the link in the description box. Reporting. Reporting is one of the main functions of management, you can say, or you can say कि it is very important for every organization. Reporting means keeping informed. Every employee of the organization, every superior or subordinate of the organization has to report his superiors or subordinates. Report regarding what is going on and what are in the records. Reporting ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਪਰਸਨ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵਰਕ ਅਸਾਈਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਉਸ ਵਰਕ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੁਪੀਰੀਅਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਸਬਆਰਡੀਨੇਟ ਨੂੰ proper information देनी है by creating the reports. He has to inform the higher authorities regarding the progress and the process followed. जो plan execute होए हैं, जो progress चल रही है, जिन्ने भी group goals दिते गए सी, whether they are achieved or not, they have to be informed through report. One of the important functions of management is budgeting. It is act of quantifying objectives in financial terms. जो objectives हैं किसी भी firm ਦੇ किसी भी business organization ਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ quantify करना means to express them in form of numbers. As you can say in the picture कि 100% बजट है, जिन्ना भी बजट है उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ਦਾ, जिन्ना भी फाइनेंस या फिर ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ कैपिटल ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਰੇਂਜ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਬਜਟਿੰਗ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਜਟਿੰਗ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਐਡਵਰਟਾਈਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਤੇ we have to spend 7%, we have to spend 11% on salaries. For research and development, management has to spend 23%. So this is all budgeting, means presenting in the financial terms, presenting in the numbers. जो भी plans हैं ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ express करना in numbers. So accountant has to provide this information in the budgeting. Mantra of the day is keep reading, keep studying, keep working, keep pushing, keep taking care of yourself. That's more important, very much important these days. And if you keep reading, keep studying, and keep working, and keep pushing yourself in these tough days, soon your hard work will pay off. So stay home, and a big thanks to all of you for like, comment, share this video, and also subscribe.